Today we're going to try to get Kyle on the video showing you how much he enjoys eating. He says yum when he eats. This is his. He had oatmeal, carrots, and now he's having applesauce. Hear him say yum after every bite? Say yum. Yum. Yum, good, huh? Yum. Is it yummy? Yum. Say yum. Very excited when he eats. Say yum. Say good. We're almost done. Last bite. This is his new thing too. Yeah, he bites his lip. All done. Say bye. Say bye. I'm going to have my bottle now. Say bye to the camera, Kyle. Wave. There he is waving. See you another day.